Awaken the power of manufacturing, leading the future to glory. Here, technology meets environmental protection, innovation and quality win-win. 3 Trees Group, continuously promoting the integration and development of green environmental protection and coating technology, leading the trend of industry development. The EPS block production line in 3 Trees Group's Anhui production base is built according to the standards of the Chemical Industrial Park, using the most advanced production line to build the largest EPS production line in terms of safety, environmental protection, and automation in China. The automated production line includes feeding system, pre-expanding system, aging system, EPS block system, drying room system, EPS cutting and packaging system, recycling system, and central control system. The factory is located in the Chemical Industrial Park of Mingguang City, Anhui Province, the international paint production base. It belongs to the demonstration zone for integrated development in the Yangtze River Delta, strategically located and covers east and central China. High quality condenses in every meticulous link. From the research and development of core technology to the upgrading of processes, from the control of raw materials to the production and processing of products, first-class equipment, ultimate craftsmanship and efficient management. Every second of 3 Trees is casting professionalism and precision. In the closely connected and seamless process, every exquisite craftsmanship stems from the researcher's persistence. 3 Trees has a top domestic architectural energy-saving research and development team, established at a global research and development center in Shanghai. Mingguang Production Bus in Anhui, equipped with thermal insulation research laboratory, mechanical performance, thermal performance testing equipment, and performance and professional technicians. Over the years, we have been committed to producing the highest quality products. The produced EPS board combines physical performance, fire performance, and thermal insulation performance in one. Widely used in various insulation systems. Achieve structural safety and durability. Designed production capacity of 300,000 cubic meters in total. Products cover molded polystyrene boards and graphite polystyrene boards of different densities. In the future, 3 Trees will continue to use technological innovation as the driving force and green concept as the core to promote the development of the green coating industry. Continuously use cutting-edge technology to create new momentum for the engineering field. Continuously break through the technical barriers of the industry to assist the efficient development of the times.